learn about a new letter. Our new letter today is the letter S. This is an uppercase S. Say uppercase S. And this is a lowercase s. Say lowercase s. I'm going to mix them up. I want you to practice saying it with me. Ready? Uppercase s, lowercase s. Let's do it again. Lowercase s and uppercase s. Great job. S makes the sound S. Can you do that with me? Watch my mouth as I make that sound. S. My lips open just a little bit and my teeth stay closed. My tongue comes behind my teeth. Let's make the sound together. S says S. Nice work. Let's look at some things that begin with the S sound. Are you ready? First, I have a snake. Can you say snake? Snake begins with the S sound. Nice job. Now, I have a sandwich. Can you say sandwich? Sandwich begins with the sound S. S. And finally, I have my friend, the sloth. Can you say sloth? Sloth begins with the sound S. Nice work. Now, friends, it's time for us to practice writing our letter S. This is our uppercase S, and this is our lowercase s. Get your finger ready. We're going to trace it. Ready? Start at the top, big curve around, and a big curve back. Great job. Let's do it one more time. Start at the top, big curve around, and a big curve back. Uppercase S. Do you have something to write on and something to write with? Great. Let's write it together. I'm going to start at the top, big curve around, and a big curve back. Uppercase S. Let's do another one. Start at the top, big curve around, and a big curve back. Uppercase S. Let's do one more. Ready? Start at that top, big curve around, and a big curve back. Uppercase S. Great job. Now let's do lowercase s. Get your finger ready. We're going to trace it. You can trace on the carpet or in the sky. Ready? Start at in the middle this time. We're going to do a little curve around and a little curve back. They look very close to each other, but the lowercase s is smaller. Trace it one more time with me. Ready? Start in the middle, little curve around, and a little curve back. Great job. Let's get ready to write a lowercase s. Put your marker or your pencil right in the middle. We're going to do a little curve around and a little curve back. Great. Let's do another one. Start in the middle, little curve around and a little curve back. One more. Start in the middle, little curve around and a little curve back. Great job. Friends, now it's time to say our letter names fast. Are you ready to do some fast naming of letters? I know you can do it. I'll point to it with my marker, and as I point to our letters, you're going to say the letter name as fast as you can. Let's try it. Here we go. Ready? Letter P. O. Say it with me. L. S. M. Keep going. L. P. M. O. S. Great job. Did you get them all? Nice job, readers and writers. Today, we learned a lot about letters and their sounds.
This program is made possible in part by the Michigan Department of Education, the State of Michigan, and the W.K. Kellogg Foundation. Additional support by viewers like you. Thank you.